In this video, I will show you how to connect a PS5 controller to your TV. Now, over here I have a TCL Smart Android TV, but it doesn't matter the brand or type of TV you have. Whether you have a Sony TV, an LG TV, a Hisense Smart TV, whatever smart TV you have, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect a PS5 controller to any TV you have and use the PS5 controller to control your TV or play games on the TV. Now, to do this, first things first, you want to head over to the Bluetooth settings of your TV. So go ahead and get your TV remote and then just navigate to the settings of the TV or to the Bluetooth settings of the TV, usually at the top right corner of the TV. Go ahead and open up the settings. And for most Android smart TVs, the Bluetooth settings is actually at the remote and accessories settings over here. So basically you want to scroll down to where you have remote and accessories if you're using an Android TV. And at this point, you want to go ahead and make sure that the Bluetooth of your TV is turned on. Then you want to proceed to search for available Bluetooth device on the TV. In my case, what I will just do is to go ahead and press on the add accessories option over here, which automatically prompts me to turn on the Bluetooth. So I'll just go ahead and click on OK to turn on Bluetooth. And now it is now searching for available Bluetooth devices. Now finally, you want to come over to your PS5 controller and then you want to go ahead and put it on pairing mode. To do this, you want to go ahead and press on the share button at the left hand side over here and the PlayStation button over here. So go ahead and press on the share button and the PlayStation button simultaneously. Just press and hold until the light at the top of the controller begins to blink, and as you can see, it is now blinking just like so. And at the top of our TV over here, you can also see that the DualSense controller is now available to connect to. So what you just want to do at this particular point is to use your TV remote and then just go ahead and select the DualSense controller just like so. And as you can see, it is now pairing. Go ahead and click on pair. Give it some minutes and automatically we have now been able to connect our PS5 controller to our TV over here. And you can actually use it to play games on the TV or even control your TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.